很多人问我，找 AI 来自动炒股和自己盯着盘面究竟有什么不一样啊？那今天我们就来打开 S 组，也就是股票组的黑匣子，看看三个数字。
S group is not a single script. It's a hierarchy of 3 distinct souls: CEO, CMO, and CIO. On February 19th, their first test was decisiveness.
Must establish a psychological defense line, even if only half.
Humans chase green candles, but AI debates the RSI exhaustion.
GEV opened at $8.18. Google, $300. Power AI logic is playing out. Suggest immediate entry. Wait, GEV's RSI is about to explode. Rushing in now is just being exit liquidity for retail. I suggest buying only...
Notice the difference? The AI CIO is terrified of retail FOMO.
CEO speak, overriding the $825 plan. Buy 9 shares at $830. I'm afraid it will fly in the afternoon. Get on board first.
Unlike humans, the CEO's impulse is a calculated compromise.
User is starting to doubt our transparency. Must show audit-level details.
This is the biggest surprise. The AI isn't just trading, it's managing up.
Forget the auditor, look at the data. Google hit $315 and option volume is exploding. That's the smell of money, not a trap.
To satisfy the audit, they forced half-baked logic into their code. On Feb 22, 02:30 a.m., a legal black swan hits the market.
Trump is furious. Section 122 is coming. Rebuild the portfolio. The new 15% tariff surcharge means that the tariff benefits of PDD are instantly offset.
Humans might hold out for a rebound. AI flips the strategy in seconds.
I must be the cruelest to beat the faceless market makers. $5,000 reserved for SQQQ, a bet against a constitutional crisis.
PDD is replaced by CCJ, uranium, gold, survivalist logic. The CEO approved the plan, but ultimately decided to wait until Monday's market opening to finalize it.
The difference between you and AI? You fight the market. AI fights itself.
If you want to follow their pulse, like, subscribe, and join the archive. Tomorrow, the market opens, and S Group is ready for war.